Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And when you start your system, your laptop and desktop, so it will come black and white box. If sometime it black and sometime it white. Okay, so how to fix it? So first click to start, type only one step to fix this issue. So task scheduler, click to start and type task scheduler. After that, click to right click to run as administrator. After that, extract this, and this is Google search user peh, and need to service disable or delete. So first you can right click to disable it. This is not required, okay, for your system. Right click to disable first this one on run platform experience helper on unlock. This is right click to disable it. And second one more, run platform experience helper daily. So right click this is or disable it, okay. And after that, restart your system and then check if you are getting any changes in your system. If you resolve these issues, after that you can close delete this services. Otherwise it's okay if this is disable it, so no worry about it, okay. And then close it, then once again restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.